say we have officially hit 1K subscribers. So my manager say I'll take this opportunity to thank every single person or every single one who has subscribed to the channel. And meaning say being and I say getting 1K subscribers is not a big deal for most of the people out there, but to this channel it's a big deal because considering the fact that I was able to get to 1K subscribers within 2 months. Yeah, within 2 months. Now my manager say me take him through the journey. What happened? I come fast to 1K subscribers within 2 months. How I got suspended on that previous channel. Now you so my show the back end of this channel. How far this channel is performing. And in case of say you will be a small channel to send me. And I say you new YouTuber so I think now we are trying to develop and I say grow your YouTube channel. Stay and watch the video to the end. Now we'll be quite fast so 1K subscribers within 2 months. I think say this video will be helpful for you. Without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Let me tell you a story about how my previous channel got cancelled, and it will be a quick one. So I'm sorry I'm who say my channel had been cancelled because I was having previously 2 strikes. So 2 strikes not sure say the next strike na me they will take my channel off. And I posted a video reviewing some tool. Me posted it and they took it off. And that video now, Kasano, I think it wasn't a video. I wasn't taking my channel down, cause video now me posted my whole video no people reviewing softwares, but I think it's a YouTube for say yes app software now, Kasana. I'm trying to show people to get free access to that software, but no correct. But anyway, I'm cancel na me who they menya challenge, cause such channel me by my name I think say me almost 2K subscribers and I cancel no it's channel me who they menya hey I did do cram into me did me that crenda. So I called this friend of mine who is also a content creator and a YouTuber. His name is Brian Update. I'm making sure some checking the contents now. I'm checking the channel also, but then link in better subscription as well. So check out Brian Update, or a very good guy or my good content. So I called him and I explained everything to him now, and I was say, Charlie, and of course I cancel, but send me customer trainer or my review now. I be PR and Sana, they'll get back to me and better check. And of course, of course, that time now, that very time now, my contents, mono, best 7 videos I have to post, but I'm in post 2 years, so I wanted to post those videos. And see, me join my cast bro, they all kind of credit. So Brian, I'm crying some year then, because I'm creating new channel. So this channel I'm no say. I'm creating a sadana and my second channel be I'm created 2 honor before, but now work on that no. Now me near you because I was trying to put all my oranges and everything into one basket. Said be me grow my first channel no. If you ask maybe I'll come back and work on this one. That was what I thought. But sana channel no cancel no. And I'm the fast channel way. And that channel way no time I'm fire nikita 27 subscribers. Okay, to me first channel na me word. Me first channel we na me word na me they post to I think my first video. So video way that was the introduction to Cars HY, because previously this channel na e didn't name Cars HY. Na only HY Tech. Hanti me change it from HY Tech to Cars HY. We na post that introduction video. And I'm the one unlocking video be a bottle. To me the bottle most video ni shoot to within 1 month I got 500 subscribers, and that was crazy. So I was like, what happened? So the factors that contributed into me getting this 500 subscribers in only 1 month was like most of the people already knew that previous channel. I see. So because most of the people already knew that previous channel, some people try searching my name, because I remember this good friend of mine too, who is also a YouTuber called Ositech. You should also try subscribing to Ositech channel. I also put that channel online. Hey, that video already a video for channel inquired too. But it's good to know. Say we have a community and people are always trying to help each other. Seriously, because those people, those small creators, but to say ban. I really help from more experience, and maybe Obiawo experience be one from the other, very different. But you all know we need people to help us grow. You get my point. So Ositek is also one of the people you should just consider and follow. One person like Ositek contact me and say, ah bro, Charlie, I say me who videos, so me who post 2 videos. So what happened? I was like, Charlie, my channel got suspended and I'm working on it, but I have a new channel. So send me the link, and I'm sending the link already. Or follow up. What I say is those people on no call YouTuber, no, you get my point. Or no followers or subscribers. Go be no. He recognized that, and I said, oh, who say my contents are not showing up in his feed until try contacting me. But here's the situation where Obi I want me contact me. But where they in a situation where Obi only me contact, the person will try to search for the name. So that's why I changed this channel name to Cast HY. So people started following up. That was how I think I got my 500 subscribers. The second fact too is I'm new to this content creation, and the channel say it needs a lot of work, because I thought I made maybe a video now because me creating the video itself is not a problem for me, but the time to edit the video, the time mefa na my day my shiny video my polishing kakra my creating thumbnails anyway no very difficult. And me one of the people I'm always trying to get the thing perfect, but Charlie, there's nothing like perfect and cause but I think most of the time no, you'll see the difference in my videos, because I thought I share video as here me share basa kuma me no kase ya na me no din koyi meet my video meet my record video be say man say 6 hours 1 hour 2 hours and sana menya perfect tina me na say how am pay. By the end of the day you know cramp no maybe you know me am chim no meaning say I did not perform what I say hanti meaning say most of the videos I made to say, you know, it might be perfect or might not be perfect, but it makes sense, you know. I think that I grow each and every time when I post something. I'm working on it. So another factor the videos now I post on the type of videos I post, you know. Content creation and that's a problem. There was so many content and so many topics to talk about. Because of say I'm trying to explore things that will work and things that will not. And see, me post to a unlocking video. No, say people get interested in those videos, and also so him say the audience is different from me regular videos. And videos are me post to on maybe how to make money, and I say making money, and say totally different. And a technical videos so I me post about something to do with Windows, something to do with servers, Linux, and all those things. No, see different and so attract different type of audience. To be post to unlocking video and our phones unlocking videos now me who say a cost attraction banner. So I decided to go with that for some time to see if it will be able to grow my channel to the extent, because sometimes you need to know, and as I need to know what works and what do not work. What I say we started to share a year from this time no ABC videos. I mean most of the videos I may post now is about a year unlocking phone, because my me post to more traction and go for share video no and I acquire names also time. And I started doing more of those videos. I started working on those videos more than the other videos I made, just to get to this point. So in all no, I would like to say some videos work and some videos doesn't work. Or one type of video and or one niche play. And or maybe I bet my ejuma, but to me I'm still exploring, and the contents that I have to create are also, because so many types of contents I could create, even only on the tech field. What I say, because personally, when you're a content creator, I feel I may try, I feel I may, and in doing so, no, I've encountered so many things that are good and bad about the content creation itself. So to most people, 1K subscribers in a big deal, I know correct. But to me, it shows me how far I've come in these 2 months, because it's easy to get 1K subscribers. Because reality is say, Charlie, nipa back 1,000, and they tune me in a person show, and I say person tea or person dear or person labor. Now in real life, grandpa, mama nipa 100 quack crash and no mudim come on. Na omunyina in tune in and share me. Omuti de meka Charlie in real life me sample and I mean to me yes you get my point. But in here no, and on this platform no, I'm able to get 1,000 over 1,000 Charlie. and yes, small thing to me. That's how I see it. And I think say you should be a content creator. And I say, wow, she say we are content creator, when you're content creator. It's a very huge thing. And nothing I made that once, you know. Obi will be say, I want cake so sooner. Why that's what that's on there. Yeah, that's the reality and how I see this 1K subscribers. And maybe most of videos be say beba. In case of service, I'm more interested that maybe videos say beba, telling you the analytics and how the back end of this YouTube channel. Maybe how far I'm going. Me watch time hours, how much I've been paid this and so money say money je maybe a year video be say beba. So for now, I'm just here to talk about my 1K subscribers. And thank you very much for giving me that 1K. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.